Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Vanguard for Valorant on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open the search bar and search for Settings. Once it opens, from the left-hand side, click on Apps, then select Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Vanguard. If Riot Vanguard appears in the list, click on the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. If you don't see Vanguard listed, that's perfectly fine, and you can move on to the next step. Now, open the search bar again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type SC delete VGC and press Enter. After that, type SC delete VGK and press Enter again. These commands will remove any remaining Riot Vanguard services from your system. Once both commands have been completed, close the Command Prompt window. Next, make sure the Riot client is completely closed. You can also check the system tray and close it from there if it's still running in the background. Now, relaunch the Riot client and sign into your Riot Games account if required. From the left-hand side, select Valorant. The Riot client should automatically detect that Riot Vanguard is not installed on your PC. When that happens, you'll see an update button. Simply click on it to begin downloading and installing Riot Vanguard. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once it's complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer. If so, go ahead and restart your PC. After your computer restarts, Vanguard will be installed and running correctly. You can now launch Valorant and start playing without any Vanguard-related issues. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more easy tech tutorials. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.